This is one of the most important technology-related cases the Supreme Court has ever heard. This is a case that flows from an appeal from the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, where the federal government was not successful in enforcing a search warrant against Microsoft. This is not an easy issue. The data at issue is not stored in a server in the United States. The data is in a server in Dublin, Ireland. They argue there is no federal authority as a matter of law where the government is allowed to go in and enforce a subpoena inside the United States to compel acquiring data that's residing in a server outside of the United States. This case is a really big deal for not only consumers, but for companies big and small located principally in the United States, but really all over the world. It's a question of whether the federal government, with just the stroke of a pen, has the power to access your data and companies' data, regardless of where it is on the planet. This is really not at its core a constitutional case. This is a technology case involving borders and data security. And that's why it's so critical that individuals and companies in the United States and all over the world really keep a very close eye on this. The decision's coming out at the end of June. This is going to have a major impact regardless of what side of the fence anybody is looking at as they wait for the Supreme Court's decision.